What about our homework? What did you have to do?
It was exercise 10 on page 83.
On page
Uh,
80.
Tips
Okay.
for travelers to
Yeah,
our
we
town.
have to do some tips. I mean, brainstorm some tips to your town, to our town, and other how to have good time
Mhm.
spending. Okay, what about these activities? Let's talk, and then actually we're gonna start to review our idioms which are connected to the money. We're gonna start with the short quiz, and then we will move on. And today we're gonna talk about history of longitude, the story, and read what is it, longitude and the story. Yes. Uh, yeah. What about?
The first tip is use public transport instead of a taxi. Our town is not that big, so it will be easy for you to adapt and find the bus you need. The transport infrastructure is developed pretty well in Costanza, and that's why it's not a problem to take a bus to at every part of our town. Not only will you see our town while riding, but also
Mhm.
will save some money on transport because it costs only 80 tenge.
Okay. Yeah.
The second
Now
tip,
it costs 80 tenge.
if you're using
Yeah,
credit
if you're
card.
using, yeah, bus
Uh,
card.
the second advice, don't limit your walks with only the city center. We don't have many magnificent tourist attractions, but you
Yes.
may easily get bored of the most popular ones. Instead of loitering in the malls for the hundredth time, visit seafronts. In the summer nights, it is especially stunning as the lights reflect in the water surface. We also have a lot of little squares all over the town. The third one, don't be shy to ask a stranger for help. As a rule, our citizens are very friendly and talkative.
Mhm.
The fourth one, it is not necessary to always have cash in our town due to all the stores, supermarkets, even buses, and so on prefer paying by credit card instead. That's why you're able to not exchange the money if you don't want to. Um, the fifth one, be careful with the time public transport stops going after 10 p.m. and in the nighttime taxis tend to cost twice as expensive. The sixth advice, always wear a mask. Without it you won't be able to enter any commercial shop or other building.
Okay,
Uh,
awesome.
the
Yes.
last one, always
Mhm.
check local news. This way you can find out about interesting cultural events coming. Promise me they're interesting to visit. That's
Okay,
all.
great. Good job. Yes. So, now let's revise our money idioms, and we're gonna. Okay. What does the idiom kosten amanaralet mean? What
Mm,
does it mean?
Being very expensive. It's B.
Being very expensive. Okay, awesome. Yes. Yeah, it's great. Yeah. Oh, we even got 122 points for that. What about that one? What can you say about something which is extremely cheap?
It's dirt cheap.
Dirt cheap.
Yeah,
Are you sure?
not really.
Yeah, you're pretty smart. Yeah. What do you do if you tighten your belt? You know, like spend less money than usual, spend more money than usual, spend all your money on your belts, but it's definitely not.
It's A. I think it's A. Spend less money than usual.
Why do you think so?
Because, like,
It's,
uh,
yeah, tighten your belt. So, yeah, when you, because of need, you have to spend a little bit less money, right? You know, yeah. Actually, you gotta remember this. I mean, in order to get even maybe more points.
Uh,
Hi,
the upper
how are you doing?
row,
Then
the
this one,
no upper, a little bit upper, and
this
now
one,
to the left, no,
this
no,
one,
to the left,
this one.
yeah.
Oh, only 50 points. It's okay. I guess it's not a big deal, right? What phrase means to save for a rainy day? To save to buy an umbrella.
To save for a time when you need the money.
To save for a time when you need the money.
See.
Save. Why do you think it's safe?
No, it's fine.
It means that in terms of need, right? When you need it, right? Meaning you save a lot of money in terms of needs. Yeah, like when you need it. Yeah. To get some. Yeah. What about that one? What happens when somebody rips you off? Like this one. They charge you too much money for something. They tear off your clothes. They sell you second-hand clothes. They bribe you.
Eh?
Hey, you agree? Hey, okay. Yeah, rip you off, it means when charge too much money for it. Right.
The timers.
Yeah.